Hi, welcome to Trees, Crafts and More. My name's Teresa. If you watched my last video, you saw my garden as it was at the end of winter. And I talked about how I would show you my garden as I cleared it and cleaned it up and it progressed along. So I've done more weed eating, trimming and raking, and I have several flower pots and vegetables and some fruit in pots to plant. A lot of seeds too. The back portion is all done and rototilled and ready to go. I began rototilling the front portion. Now all this took a matter of 8 days. I don't mean 8 days, 8 hours. About a couple hours a day. Excuse me. And what you'll see here in a minute is after I've finished rototilling the garden. And this was over several days. So I had already, in this portion of the video, I had planted lettuce seeds in the back. Black seeded Simpson lettuce and little gem lettuce. Oh, and radishes in the very back corner in a container. And you can see they're already coming up. They did come up pretty fast though. This is why I have this area shaded to keep it cooler for the lettuce. I have my strawberry pots ready, and I have some seeds I'm about to show you that I had planted. And these are raspberries on the other side of the wall. So I'll continue with the next video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you'd like, and give me a thumbs up, please.